Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to resize a frame with its content in Figma. Resizing a frame to enter with its content is an essential skill when working with auto layout and smart resizing, especially in tools like Figma. To begin, select the frame you want to resize. Then go to the Move tools and click on the arrow button where you can find the Scale button, or you can click on the letter K from your keyboard. Once the Scale tool is active, click and drag one of the corner handles of the frame. As you drag, you'll notice that all the content inside scales proportionally. This means text sizes, padding, spacing, and even border thickness adjust automatically. This is especially useful when you need to quickly resize a design for a different screen size, presentation format, or social media dimension. Instead of rebuilding the layout or changing font sizes manually, scaling keeps everything visually consistent. Keep in mind that scaling permanently changes the size values of elements. For example, font sizes and stroke widths will be mathematically adjusted. So while this method is great for quick resizing, it's important to double-check readability and spacing afterward. The Scale tool is ideal for resizing entire components or mockups proportionally. However, if you need more responsive behavior, like elements adapting dynamically, auto layout may be a better long-term solution. Using the Scale tool gives you speed and efficiency, especially when you need a quick, clean resize without disrupting the overall design structure. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.